clap your hands. Clap your hands. Without my help this time. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. See? Clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Yay! Oh, you're kissing. You both kisses. Yeah, good boy.
He does it both.
He's confused.
I don't know which one's which.
Yay! Both kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Both kisses. Mwah. 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 Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Both kisses.
Both kisses.
Ah, isn't he cute?
Mhm.
Oh, well, you don't have to talk. As long as you can clap and blow kisses, you're still friggin' adorable. Mwah. Mwah. Blow me kiss. No, not clap your hands. Don't clap your hands.
Don't clap your hands.
Like, blow me kiss. Mwah. Blow me kiss. Mwah.
He wants to clap him.
I clap my hands. Yeah, there you go.
You cover your whole face when you do it.
Mwah, mwah. I do it. No. I know do it. Blow the camera kiss. You think I'll do it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a little bit of a mixture, but good job anyway. He was kind of like clap, kiss, clap, kiss.
Get your feet all up in the screen. Say da 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 da.
No, get him to say new words. He's already knows mama
Say
and dad.
come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Oh, look at him.
Pick me up.
Did you just hear a dog barking?
Yep. Come here. He wants me to pick him up. Do you want the phone?
Yes.
How cute.
Are you filming him? Yep.
He's got the phone and he's just like,
Oh no, Winter, why'd you do that?
it.
Why'd you do that? You gotta keep it on you.
You
There we
gotta
go.
keep it on you, Andrew.
He's like, oh, I know. Look at him. He's looking,
Oh!
it's looking into my soul.
He's cute.